Es hora de que los peques se vayan a la cama. Pero antes les voy a leer este libro que se llama The First Day of School. Michael loved his puppy. Her name was Cookie. All summer long, Michael played with Cookie. They played catch, they played ball, they were always together. On the night before the first day of school, Michael said to Cookie, "Tomorrow we start first grade." In the morning, Michael walked to Robin Hill's school. His mom and Cookie came with him. When they got to school, Michael said to Cookie, "Time to go to school." "Oh, Michael," said his mom, "dogs are not allowed in school." "What?" said Michael. "Nobody told me." He hugged Cookie tightly. Mrs. Connor was the first grade teacher. She saw how sad Michael was. "May I pet your dog?" she asked. "I guess," said Michael. "He looks nice," said Mrs. Connor. "She is a she," said Michael. "Her name is Cookie." "I wish Cookie could come to school," he said. "Me too," said Mrs. Connor. "You do?" asked Michael. "Oh, yes," said Mrs. Connor. "If Cookie came to school, she would live on the playground. She could sleep in a cubby. She would belong to everyone at Robin Hill School." Michael gave that some thought. "Mom," said Michael, "you can take Cookie home now." Michael had a good first day, but he missed Cookie. When the day was over, Cookie was waiting for him. She waited for him every day because she was his dog. Y colorín colorado, este cuento se ha acabado. Espero hayan disfrutado the first day of school.